bit of history. Kirby's area known as Mikirs burns their dead. Those who can afford it set up an upright stone called Long-in Kirby as memorial of the deceased with flat horizontal stone long path. Before it, to serve as a table for the offering of rice occasionally supplied as food for the dead ones. Although not much is seen now, the Dumra Kirby is still continuing with the system of funeral rites. The northeast frontier of India, Kardom.